liar. Just go steady with it, alright?
Making sure the drawbar doesn't drop off because it's...
Alright. Oh my. Did you poo your pants then? Alright. No, it wasn't from a junkyard. Just once and on and off. Oh, thank. Oh. Big mama. Can you weld, Peter? Do you fancy learning? No. Oh.
What the fuck going on?
I don't know. It's just gone off.
But we're just still farming. And see you after dinner.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video of Shutt farming. Everyday life on the farm. Are you muck spreading now? Oh. Oh, you are? Little liar! Just go steady with it, alright? Oh my days. Just said he's going to chuck it over. Must be doing some maintenance. Safety first. Perfect. What are you doing to this trailer then?
Making sure the drawbar doesn't drop off because it's...
Alright. Show me which, is that the drawbar? Oh, that's rotten. It's actually all quite rotten, looking at it. Can we not sandblast it? Paint it? No. So I've been for some new piece of metal he's going to weld on. I think he's going to scrap these off and put some fresh ones on. That's alright, that's not. Very good. This is our main bale trailer, isn't it? No? Is this the one with the box on usually? Yeah, this has usually got the box on. Ah, yeah. We put these on ourselves. So I remember welding these on. These plates. Yeah. Made it ourselves. Yeah. And extended it actually. Should have a look. I have made a video on this. Did we extend it or not? Did we extend it or not? Was that our extension? I don't know. But anyway, let's get welding. He's fixing his, what do you call it? Membrane. No. Cross member. Cross member. That's what it is. So these are the pieces I went for. I got them cut and made. Just to fit nicely in there. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, you can't even see, sorry. Yeah. So we'll be on with some welding Now I got some square pieces. Oh, square pieces. Are they for the top? Will they be for the top? I don't know. But we'll soon find out. Like he's flipping it a bit more. They're flipping it right over, I wonder. Possibly. It's alright. I don't know what he's thinking, but he's thinking something. Good Lord. Yeah. Crimes almighty. Did you poo your pants then?
No, I knew what I was going to do.
Alright. I would have screamed. Can you get it in better now?
She's a rotten bastard.
Yeah, it's very rotten. Yeah. Oh, a little bird's nest, look. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Ooh. Can tell you've been greasing it though, well done.
Nice for bales.
We use it for no, we don't use it for bales. It's usually got the stock box on it. Put sheep in that box, big box.
So no put it in.
We took the box off and he's flipped it upside down and he's gonna fix it.
And you put it in the box of the car.
Probably, yeah. It's the trailer especially for the box. Do you think it's rotten? Got a lot of holes in, hasn't it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you find it from a junkyard?
No, it wasn't from a junkyard.
What was it?
We bought it from a machinery sales spot. McQuarters.
Got it.
Yeah. Do you want to pick? Here, look, I got you them.
Stick them up your arse.
You,
Triangle.
you need to wear these.
No.
Kim got them especially for the job. It'll protect your eyes
Don't let them protect you.
and it'll help me keep my fans happy.
Look at your hands.
Well, I'm very protected now.
If you were any good, you'd buy me a brand new one.
Brand new what?
Trailer.
You don't need a brand new one. We never need brand new.
Spastic, cut that.
It's a very nice man from Pigneys. I got my pieces of cuttings from Pigneys, and he used to work at Dobson's. Yeah.
Oh dear.
I don't like Dobson's, no. Maybe I shouldn't say that on YouTube, but just personal preference. It's not the actual place, it's just the people there. Please, will you put them on for 1 second? Please. Just once and on and off. Oh, thank. Oh. It's not good. But anyway, I think that's pretty perfect. Well done. Yeah, so we'll weld them on. Doesn't matter if it's a bit taller. It's extra strength in it. Yeah. Can I weld one on?
No.
Please? No. Just one line. It's one thing I haven't done and nobody's taught me, is welding. My uncle would have taught me, but I never got a chance to ask him.
Right,
I was a bit young.
Put that other battery on charge and get the welder.
Welder, yeah. Let's see if I can do some welding. Probably not. He likes to do it right. Check. I need the hat. Check. This is very good. It protects your eyes. Bit baggy. Rods. I think I want them rods. 2.5. Oh, plug. Ah. Wow. Big mama.
Put them.
What do you want me to do now? Stand here.
Lie down.
Hey, enough of that. I'll stand here if I can do a bit of welding. I wonder if I could persuade him. We are in full swing of trailer restoration. While I'm waiting for Oliver to do whatever he's doing, I don't know what he's doing. This is our welder. It's a Stamos Germany Pro Series. It's an Amazon special. Yes, we do buy a lot of things off Amazon. I don't know. I haven't a clue about welders. I haven't a clue. It's not my department, it's Oliver's department. This is Seen Better Days. That's not supposed to be like that. But other than that, the handle's a bit dodgy, and yeah, we could do with a fresh one, but it's still working, so there's no point of having a fresh one if it still works. Catch my drift. So he's welded these two bits on for now. See? That will give it extra strength, as it had literally nothing there before. See? Like that. Yeah, so we'll do this side and that side. What's the square pieces for? The square pieces, Oliver. Oh, I've had to wait and find out. Probably. This is a big fat rod.
Is that welder up there?
Oh, don't look at the welding. If you do, you will go blind. Eventually blind. Your eyes burn inside out. Or something like that. But all these welder fabricators will know that it damages your eyes, so don't look at the spark. Don't look at the light. Flashing lights. Sorry about the flashing lights. Oh. No children around. They're playing in the garden. Do you want some help holding it? No? Can you weld, Peter? Do you not fancy learning?
No. Fucking hurts.
Hurts? Hurts what?
Fucking sparks.
Yeah, but you got a helmet on. While I am just waiting for Oliver to weld, I don't even know what my job is right now. Oh.
Oh, what the f going on?
I don't know, it's just gone off. Okay. I've evacuated. I've evacuated shit because the wire's melted. It didn't unreel it all. So that was my time to evacuate.
Playing doctor's waiting room, computer room, and we're seeing if my foot's broken or not. And because I got my crutches, and that big welly there is my
All right. So you're playing doctors.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's better outside.
Dr. Ella and patient Mabel.
Yeah.
I see.
I did two people. I had two people have C-sections, so I cut open them and got the baby
Right.
out.
Aye, that's what's happening to me, guys. I've had, well, this will be my 6th, if you want, till it goes off.
So that's my stuff. Tractor, bike, tractor, all the stuff here. Well, I'm gonna work from, and this is, where's my knife at? Mum, this is my thing. Do this. Put it right there, right in that spot. That's it. For my day video, and I'll see you in the next one. But we're just still farming, and see you after dinner. See ya. Done.
Are you done?
Yep.
Press the top button then.
Top one.
I've just been catching up on some sewing. Hopefully you'll all have your orders by now. And yeah, been putting my roast dinner on. We're having roast lamb tonight. I'll show the outcome when I've done it. Just going to round the kids up, their teas are ready. Yeah, got them all to bath. Oliver's still on with the trailer, let's see how he's getting on. See if he's in a better humour than before. Because the cable melted, literally, it melted. Right, Jim. Wow, he has been getting on. And plates on. Stand back, right back, Mabes, right back. It's a good, like, be pushing it. Yeah. Ooh. At least all that rust has come off.
I thought the wheels are going to come off. He's got it. Can I see the video?
Looks like it's putting it in the shed. One way you're doing it. I'll help him. Oofed, half a leg of lamb. And I'm going to slow cook it for tea tonight. And I'll show you what it looks like. It looks divine. Ooh, yummy. Whoa, look at them, guys. Look at them for Yorkshire puddings. Ooh, beautiful. I think Sheila's hungry. It has fallen off the bone that much that it crumbled as I put it in my roasting dish. This is just talc. I have bathing the kids. I put talc on them, makes them smell nice, and it regulates the temperature so they're not sticky getting changed again. They like it. Yeah, 20 minutes in the oven, crisp it up. Beautiful. Perfect. Some gravy on with the juices. Beautiful. Don't know if you can see, but crumble, apple and blackberry. Beautiful. Cheap custard though.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star.
There we go. I will love and leave you, and I'll catch you for the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye.